Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for an Anfield Road expansion update. Last time I was here with last week. I think it was last Monday actually. But I was here for the European game, on Thursday. So I've done a match day vlog on that. If you haven't seen that, go and watch that. It's been quite popular so far. So I'll have a little look down the site, see how this wall's getting on. You know what, can get lower here actually. Yeah, it's really coming on that wall now, isn't it? It's a little bit rainy, it's spitting a little bit. It's not on to stop the flight yet, but it is a little bit spitty. Now, he's about to power up his thingy cutter. His cutting machine. What's it called? Don't know what it's called, guys. Yeah. Circular saw. Is it just as simple as that? Yeah, it's cutting away for the bricks and the foundations for the bricks to go into. Is that right? I'll tell you what, I haven't half learned a lot over the last 12 months. So the crane has got hold of another one there, ready to lift in. You can see the angle on it, yeah. So that's going to straighten it up to go down the side. Looks good. You know what? I went on Thursday to have a good look at it and didn't look at the wall. Do you want to know why? I'll tell you why. Let me get over the Forever Stones. Now, I've took a video on this, but I don't think it really comes up as that clear on the video that I've made. But these Forever Stones are not good. You can't tell from up here, but I'll put a clip on now that I took. And they're uneven. They're not level. So, they're not such a tip hazard, but there's a little bit of a lip on some of them. You know, they're not. You couldn't play marbles on them, put it that way. Let's get a bit closer there. Yeah, you can't tell. They look alright from the air, but and the little tarmac areas don't look great. So, but I'm sure that can be sorted out. So, like this down here, it looks terrible. Up close. So the part I was worried about was it's a little bit windy, so I'm not going to keep this drone as still as I can. Where do you put that? So that little bit of grid piece there, I thought that was stones on it. It's not. It's not people's stones. It's just that there are stones, but they're not engraved. So that's what I was worried about. So they put some torch into that, but still it looks terrible up close. So yeah. And that little, the little tarmac and bits that they've put in, hopefully they'll just sort out, but it's really uneven. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Even these parts on the edges here, the edges don't look great either. So hopefully they'll sort that out, but even that little corner piece there, it doesn't look as though you can put a piece in to mask that up. It looks as though it needs taken up again, but that's from the layman. That, I know nothing about paving or lanes, block paving, anything like that. I don't know anything about it, so it just doesn't look good from where I was looking at it anyway, and that was like, 6 foot in the air from me. So more cutting Yeah, it sounds about there, yeah. No, there's more cutting going on somewhere. I think it's over this side somewhere. There it is. Yeah, so it's oh yeah, it's my birthday today as well, so yeah. People have wished me happy birthday, so thanks for wishing me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. There's people that watch my videos that have commented on other social media wishing me happy birthday, so yeah, thanks a lot for the birthday wishes. It's really appreciated it. I don't really celebrate my birthday. I'm one of them miserable ones that, you know, just wants the day to come and go. But no, I really appreciate it. So we'll try and get over and have a look. I've tried sorting that issue out where I was losing signal between the drone and the handset, so hopefully that issue's sorted out. So to be fair, from inside the grounds, that stand is looking superb. I'll give them that. It looks amazing now. You know, all these seats, let me zoom in. All these seats this side, they're all in. They all go right to the back. Even though these two lots on the ends, they go right to the back. I'll put some pictures. I'll put a video on now. It's just this front section that needs doing now, and then that's all the seats in then, and whatever they're doing on the front here. And there's a little bit in the corner there which I'm not going to get low enough to have a look at. Hold on, I think they've got seats in there. I can see it through there. So hopefully that's all done now. Yeah, that's brilliant. I say that it's just the underside of the roof that needs cladding, which isn't going to get done till the summer, which have been reliably informed. Again, with the outside cladding, that won't be getting done till the end of the season. But this stuff down here, I have noticed on other people's videos that it has been getting worked on. I noticed on my video, just failed to see it when I was there at the time. This is getting worked on, and that's to weatherproof it. The rest is all it's all weatherproofed. It's all sealed up. It's just the aesthetics of it underneath that needs sorting out. Yeah, so that's going to get sealed up at some point in it soon, and that will as well. Okay, so them seats must have gone in very recently. Yeah, so those seats must have went in fairly recently. There's nothing else to really see, is there? The guys are on the pitch as always, doing a great job with that pitch. That pitch looks, because I'm right at the front for the European games, and the pitch looks immaculate. They've done a great job on it, as they always do. Yeah, there's nothing else to see. The night tick is back, or swoosh, as no one from Liverpool calls it. Everyone calls it a tick in Liverpool. Okay, so yeah, no, it's looking good, guys. I don't think there's really any, after being there on Thursday, it doesn't look though there's really much to do down here now. Down on this side. Apart from tidying them forever stones up and whatever they're doing with the tarmacking. Let me get round a touch. There's still a bit of work around to do around the Shankly gates and that, but you can't really tell from the air, but once you're on the ground you can really see it. You know, it looks really untidy. It looks a bit like a work site. So that needs sorting out. But again, I don't think there's any major rush for that. People are asking if they're putting a wall in. Putting a wall in again for the Shankly Gates. No, they're not. It's going to be bollards because I mentioned this months ago. It's to stop bottlenecking. Because the only way out was through the gates. But it's bottlenecking through the gates, so they put bollards there now just to ease the bottlenecking. Which is a lot better coming out. I can hear him cutting again. Okay, there's someone cutting again. Where is he? Oh, he's behind the wall. You know what? I just thought that was someone bending down. Sorry. Went past him about 3 times. So he's cutting into something outside. I'm not going to get over because it's too close. It's too tight between the stands and where he is. So I'm not going to get over there. I like to keep my distance. Anything going on here? Oh yeah, there's a little post gone in there. Yeah, so they're getting cracking on the outside, guys. On the stand itself, there's not much to be done. The brickwork's all done. You've got the Liverpool badge to go up. Or crest, as others like to call it. But for those of us that collect stickers in the 80s, we call it a badge. Collect the Panini stickers in the 80s. Yeah, that's going to go on there. We wanted the badges, we wanted the club badges. We didn't call them crests. Still call it a badge now. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you think I've missed anything, let me know. I haven't been here for a week. I've slept since I last come. So I do forget things. Yeah, but everyone that's wished me happy birthday, really appreciate it. Thanks very much. The stands is looking good from the inside. Yeah, from the inside, looking at it. Now all the seats are going in. But apart from that, guys, I'll bid you farewell. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. You know, to go from where I have 12 months ago to where I am now has been amazing. It's just a shame this is coming to an end. I've really enjoyed it, really have. I think the highlights for me were the second part of the roof coming off, when me, Paul Frost, Mr. Drummond in the car park, and then we met up with Craig's Adventures that day. We had a great time doing that. I burnt my head. It was a long day, but we had a laugh doing it. Paul Frost was a superstar that day, getting his drone up, checking if the roof was coming off. Yeah. We had our contacts inside the ground telling us what was going on and what was holding them up and stuff like that. It was just a great day. But yeah, but the whole journey's been amazing, and it's not going to stop. Got loads planned. I can't wait to see where I am in 12 months' time. See where it's going. But yeah, no guys, if it wasn't for you, and people say, why do you say welcome to your channel? Because it is your channel. It always has been your channel since day one. The people that have commented since day one to now and requested stuff and suggested stuff, it's all been down to you. So that's why I say welcome back to your channel, because if it wasn't for your input, it'd be boring. It really would. It was just down to me, it'd be a boring channel. But your input makes it better. Okay, I'm just the voice of it. But guys, thanks very much. Yeah, I'm really humbled by all the support I've had. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks very much, everyone. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.